Anti-aging moisturizer with green tea. It is a powerful anti-aging moisturizer that contains green tea and coconut oil and can be used for face and the whole body. Anti-aging moisturizer recipe. Place a steel pan over the low flame and add in it 7 tablespoons of liquid coconut oil. When the oil is about to reach its smoking point, take 1 green tea bag, cut it, and pour its contents into the pan. Turn off the flame, and let the oil and tea steep and cool down naturally for about 20 minutes. Strain the mixture into a glass jar, add 5 drops of tea tree essential oil, and gently swirl the jar to mix the ingredients. Store this anti-aging moisturizer in a cool and dark place. How to use it. Place a dime-sized amount of the moisturizer on your palm, rub the palms together, and massage your body, from the shoulders to the feet. Do it after taking shower, and wiping your body. Use 2 drops of the mixture on your clean face, to rub it in gentle upward motions. It can also be used under makeup. The benefits of the ingredients. Green tea is full of antioxidants, catechins, and other polyphenols that protect the skin from the damage caused by free radicals. Anti-inflammatory properties of green tea help reduce puffiness, under-eye bags, and bring relief to various inflammatory conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that allow its nutrients go deep into the skin to nourish, moisturize it, and make it soft and smooth. Due to its antibacterial properties, coconut oil can prevent acne by dealing with acne-causing bacteria. Tea tree oil is quite effective in treating acne and various skin infections, and it tightens and tones the skin. If you don't want to use tea tree oil, you can choose geranium essential oil instead. It will give your skin a great nourishment and scent. Other options can be lavender oil for calming effect, or chamomile essential oil to soothe sensitive skin.